What's up everyone, welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. I'm Original Dobo. If you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of this video. In yesterday's video, I talked about Tudia cases and that they sent some cases over to me to give away. I still have two cases here for the Galaxy S9 Plus, which I don't have a Galaxy S9 Plus right now. So I don't think it would be really fair to do a review on these since I don't have them, but they are really nice quality. I'm gonna go ahead and open them up here. Even though I don't have the phone, I thought it'd be cool to still give them away because they are really svelte. Look at these cases. They really match the design of the Galaxy S9 Plus, and they're just overall really thin, and they're not gonna add a lot of bulk to your device. They're sort of like a matte finish, which I think is really cool. So I do have two of these. They're two different cases. One is like a navy color. This is like a TPU style case. So they're pretty decent cases. I want to go ahead and give them away to two different people. Let me take a look and see what name it is. One is called the Tudia Arc, and the other case is the Merge. So we have the Merge and the Arc. So I'll go ahead and throw both of them up here. That's what they look like. So Merge, Arc, this is TPU. This has a hard shell with the TPU lining. If you like either one of these cases, let me know why. Comment down below. I'm gonna select two winners. I wanna get these cases out to you at least by the 20th since I'm traveling the following week. Tudia has a pretty good little Amazon following, so I'm gonna try to work with them more often. And I wanna give them a big thank you for sending these cases over for me to check out and be able to do this giveaway. So thanks so much for supporting smaller channels. It means a lot to me, and I know it means a lot to smaller creators like myself. So thank you guys very much. I will talk to you in the next one. See ya.